Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at home. Welcome to our online classes LPM Public School. LPM Public School situated at Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of social study. I am here with a new chapter from your test book, chapter 15, Brave Thoy. Okay, chapter 15, Brave Thoy. Is that clear, student? So, students, what's the name of this chapter is? Chapter 15, Brave Thoy. I am going to explain some hard words and some exercise. Is that clear? So, students, take out your CW copy. Man, take out your CW copy and open your new page. Students, new page divided two parts. First part mention your words and second part mention your meaning. Is that clear? So student, let's start some here hard words from your chapter is given. Let's start and discuss about them. So this first hard words is, so students, before your chapter read, be good and completed, and after the next chapter is Brave Thoy. Okay. So students, first hard word is village. So students, first hard word is village. Spelling of village VILLAGE. Okay, is that clear? Now the meaning is village. The meaning is small town. Spelling of small SMALL is small TWON town. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now next meaning is everyday. So students, now next meaning is everyday. Spelling of every EVERY, every DAY day. Every day. Is that clear? So every day, the meaning is daily. Spelling of daily DAILY. Daily. Is that clear, student? So now next meaning is cross. Next meaning is cross. Spelling of cross CROSS cross. Okay. The meaning is go to the other side of. Okay. Go to the other side of. Spelling GO TO2 THE the OTHER other SID is side OF off. Is that clear, student? So now next meaning is alone. Now next meaning is alone. Spelling of alone ALONE alone. The meaning is alone. The meaning is having no one else present. Okay. Spelling of having 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 NO ONE ELSELS PRESENT present. Okay. Is that clear? So now next meaning is bright. Now next meaning is bright. So students, spelling of bright BRIGST bright. Okay. The bright meaning is shining. Meaning is the shining. SHINING shining. So students, is that clear? Now next meaning is floating. FLOATING floating. The meaning is moving from one place to another in water, swimming. Okay. Spelling of moving 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 FROM from ONE PLACE place TO2 ANOTHER another in WATER water SWIMMING swimming. Is that clear, student? So now next meaning is suddenly. Now next meaning is suddenly. Spelling of suddenly SUDDENLY suddenly. Okay. The meaning is unexpectedful. unexpectedly, unexpectedly. Okay, is that clear? So next meaning appears. The meaning is seem, look, seem. Second meaning look. Okay, spelling of seem, SEEM, seem. Now second spelling of look, LOOK, look. Is that clear? So now next meaning is drowning. Spelling of drowning, DROWNING, drowning. Okay. The meaning is to die under water. To die under water. TO2 DIE die. U and ER under WTER water. Is that clear? So now next and last meaning is difficult. Difficult. Spelling of difficult, DAFFICULT, difficult. Okay. Now the meaning is not easy, hard. Okay, the meaning is not easy, hard. Spelling of not, 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 ESY, HARD, hard. Is that clear, students? So come to the next point, students. Filling the blanks. Okay, now come to the next point, students. Filling the blanks. Okay, is that clear? First number. Student, first, Thwai lived with her parents in the dash. Thwai lived with her parents in the dash. So, students, village. Spelling of village, VILLAGE, village. Is that clear? Now next है. In here village, her was many dash. In here village, her was many dash. Ponds. Spelling of ponds, PONDS, ponds. Is that clear? Now next है, Thwai was a pair of dash. Thwai was a pair of dash in the water. Okay, student. Sleepers. Spelling of sleeper, SLIPPER, sleeper. Is that clear? Now next है, fourth one, Manson was dash in the water. Once again, Manson was dash in the water. So student, write now drowning. Write now drowning. Spelling of drowning, DROWNING. Is that clear? Now next, students, now next, Thwai received Indian National Dash Award. Thwai received Indian National Dash Award. So student, right now, bravery. Spelling of bravery, BRAVERY, bravery. Is that clear, students? So now next topic, write true or false. Okay, so students, write true or false. So first number, Thwai was given years old. Thwai was given years old. So students, true or false? So write false. Spelling of false, FALSE, false. Is that clear? Now next here, Thwai saw a pair of slippers floating in the water. So students, choose option true or false. Right option true. Is that clear? So now next question. Thwai's mother jumped into the water to save Mesha. So student, is that clear? No, Thwai mothers jumped into the water to save Mesha. True or false? So student, so right option false. Is that clear? Now next, Thwai received the Indian National Bravery Award from the pair Prime Minister of India. Once again question, Thwai received the Indian National Bravery Award from the Prime Minister of India. So students, choose the correct answer, true or false. So right option true. Is that clear? Okay, now next, Thwai wanted to be a teacher when she gave up. Thoy wanted to be a teacher when she grew up. So students, choose correct option, true or false. Is that clear? No. Choose option, right option, false. Is that clear? Okay. Now next come to the next point. Answer the following questions. Okay. Answer the following questions. So students, first question is, what is the name of brave girl? So answer students, Thoy Thoy Khuman Them. Thoi Thoi Khuman Them. Once again, question, what is the name of brave girl? So student, right answer, Thoi Thoi Khuman Them. Is that clear? Now next question. So students, now next question. Where did the Thoi Thoi with her parents? Answer, Thoi lived with her parents in a village in India. Is that clear? Once again question. Where did Thoi lived with her parents? Thoi lived with her parents in a village in India. Okay. Now next question. What did Thoi saw in the water? What did Thoi saw in the water? You have to do all exercise in SW copy, student. So thank you, bye and take care.